Topic: Canva Assistant. Simplify your search with the Canva Assistant. Quickly find anything you need to create stunning designs and instantly access features like Magic Write, background remover, and more. This feature is currently only available on your computer. AI-powered assistant may not be available in your language. It's also not available for some Canva for education subscriptions. What can you do with the Canva Assistant button? We can search for elements, graphics, photos, templates, videos, and so much more just by typing a keyword. How we can find a Magic Assistant? There are 3 ways. We can click Canva Assistant button. Alternatively, you can press / on your keyboard. Here, you find it here. Or you can click Ctrl+E or Command+E on your keyboard. Let's go back to Canva and try it out. On the Canva homepage, I am choosing social media and Facebook post. We can click on the Magic Assistant and we see Canva is suggesting that maybe we want to use Magic Write to start brainstorming ideas. Or maybe we want to add the text or share our design. We can click Show More and we see a full menu of suggested features and elements to help me start my design. We can type in what we are looking for. Available suggestions will appear as you type. Let's try. I am entering laptop. And underneath, Canva suggested, do you want to search for a laptop or a laptop frame or working on laptop screen and laptop icons? Okay, I am clicking laptop frames. And now we see frames, graphics, photos, and etc. Let's choose a frame. We can adjust position. And now click on the frame and we can come back to Canva Assistant. And now Canva is suggesting, maybe we want to change a color. We can click on the color and we can change the color. We see how our colors is changed. Now we can click on the design and we can come back to Canva Assistant. Maybe we want to add a text. Click on text. We can resize it. We can adjust position and we can enter our text. Now we can come back to Canva Assistant and we see we can use Magic Write, or maybe we want to change a font. We can click on font and we can change it. I'm choosing DM Sans. Now let's come back to Canva Assistant. And maybe we want to change a text color. Click on it. We can go back and we can change the color. When it suits us, we can click near the design. Now I can duplicate. I'm clicking Ctrl+D and font size, let it be 16. And we can enter our text here. Now we can go and we maybe want to adjust and maybe we want to align page center. Okay, and let's come back and now I want search for a line. I'm entering line and choosing line. We can take the line and drag it. Okay, let's come back and now we see line style and we can adjust it. We can adjust thickness, or maybe we want to adjust the color. We can duplicate text and we can add it here. Let it be this text for email. And now we can align to the center. Okay, now we can search for a blob. Let's come back. We can enter blob. And I'm choosing blobs and search for graphics. Click see all, and now we see the blobs. We can click on the blob. We can resize it, make it bigger. And let's come back to Magic Assistant. And maybe we want to send it to back. Great. Now we can adjust the color. We can come back, click color, and here we can adjust the color. Now I am duplicated, Ctrl+D, and we can rotate it. And we can come back to Magic Assistant and color, Magic Assistant, and send to back. Now we can search for a photo. We can go back to Magic Assistant, and I'm entering theme, and I am choosing teamwork and photos. Click see all, and here we see all the photos. We can take the photo and drag it to our design. Or we can search for other photos. If we want, we can double click and we can adjust size and position, and we can click near the design. And here you go. Here is how quickly and easily we created a design with the help of a Magic Assistant. Next, we'll take a look at the Canva Magic Write. See you!